Departure United 2664, check it in 1200, climbing via the Zoo 3.
United 2664, SoCal departure, radar contact, speed your discretion.
United 2664.
United 2664, declaring emergency. We have a laptop on fire in the aircraft. We need to return.
Okay, 2664, SoCal approach, Roger, and I'm sorry, what do you have on board, you said?
Yeah, we have a laptop on fire in the back. We need to return to the airport.
2664, Roger. You want to land 27 or you want to get in immediately at a 9er?
No, 27.
Okay, heading 270, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain, person heading 090, and descend and maintain 5,000.
09050, United 2664.
United 2664, if you get a second, let me know how many people you have on board.
127 souls on board.
127 souls on board, copy. United 2664. The field is at 9 o'clock and 5 miles. If you want the visual, let me know. If you want an instrument approach, I can do that too. United 2664, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 4,000. United 2664, SoCal approach, reply not received, maintain 4,000, heading 060. United 2664, acknowledge with an ident, and if you see the field at 8 o'clock and 7 miles and want the visual, you're clear for the visual to 7. United 2664, heading towards higher terrain, turn to the north if you can. At 2664, I understand you might be on mask there. I cannot hear you. Suggest you turn north, and you are clear for the visual to San Diego at any time. At 2664, weak, barely readable. Turn left, heading 360. 2664, do you see San Diego? Are you on the visual approach? United 2664, Roger. United 2664, wind calm, cleared to land, runway 27.
Clear to land, 27, United 2664,
United 2664, just make sure you have crash fire rescue available at the end of the runway, please.
United 2664, affirmative. United 2664, contact Lindbergh Tower 118.3. Once again, you're cleared to land.
United 2664, Lindbergh Tower, I believe that's you. Runway 27, clear to land. United 2664, just be advised that they copy your landing clearance. United 2664, continue on the runway, and when able, just hold position. ARF's requesting that you hold on the runway. And United 2664, just when you get a minute, you guys are coming through. I feel like it's a speaker. I'm not the headset.
That's it.
And I got you loud and clear now.
Okay, we're going to come to a stop here at the end of the runway here and send the trucks over. The flight attendants have verified that the fire is out, but we still want them to come over because of hot brakes.
United 2664, copy, fire's out, but now you got hot brakes. They're responding now.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, we're just going to hold position here.
United 2664, roger that.
What frequency frequency is for 2664, what's the frequency that the trucks are on?
United 2664, actually, you guys could take 118.3, just maintain this frequency.
Okay, thanks. Hey, Rescue Fire, United 2664. Can you help us out with a brake temperature check, a thermal check? Go ahead.
What are your conditions and complaints?
Right now, the laptop is contained, the fire is out, and it's in the lav, and we just need to check on the thermal condition of the brakes so we can maybe roll off and get over the gate so they can get on the airplane and get this thing off. Okay, thanks. We'll stand by. Okay, thanks. As long as you're following us, it's great. All right, thanks. We're just going to get clearance over there.
United 2664, I did copy last. Your discretion, ramp via Bravo.
Okay, we're going to head into the ramp, gate number 43 via Bravo, United 2664, thanks.
No problem, and you guys can proceed direct and maintain my frequency.